Yo, what's good everybody? It's your boy Simon. Welcome back to the channel. I'm here because I switched things up and I want to discuss it. So in late 2023, I downsized my everyday carry camera from the A7 IV to the Fujifilm X Pro 2. And ever since then, I've been slowly defining what I'm going to be carrying. I even narrowed down camera bags, and we'll get to that in a minute, as well as some other items that I like to carry on an everyday basis because I still like to shoot and I still love to shoot anything and everything. So let's just get straight up into it. I got rid of the X Pro 2 and I actually went with the Fujifilm X100V. Now I did pre-order the X106, but to be honest, that shit never really came in, and I was honestly looking to get something rather quickly because I was going on a family trip, and this was definitely the camera that I wanted to purchase, as I got a good deal for it. And if you do want to get the X100V, I suggest you look around because you could find some really good deals on this, and I actually got this one for about $1,000, and I believe I sold my X Pro 2 for $1,100. So I actually made money when I want to buy this particular camera. And I actually have here the Everyday Filter by Polar Pro and Short Stash that doesn't really come off, and I shoot absolutely everything with this filter. So that's photo. Now let's get into video. When it comes to video in early 2024, what I wanted to do is I wanted something video centric other than my phone that I could take video with. So a couple of months of waiting, and I actually got my hands on the DJI Pocket 3, and this thing has been an absolute game changer in my content creation in general, just because it's so compact. It fits the aesthetic very nicely when it comes to how I want to carry things, and so many different avenues on what you could use this for. My BTS in some of my videos, if I just want to throw up a quick reel or make a quick reel and I'm out and I don't have my big cameras, this is my go-to right here. The DJI Pocket 3 is definitely my main video camera when we are running and gunning and just, you know, showing the everyday lifestyle. So there's a couple of things here that I changed up from 2024, and the main piece here is because I wanted to make myself absolutely carry as minimal as possible, is the bag. This bag I found at a Dick's warehouse store for $15.99. Now you might say, Simon, there's no padding on this thing doesn't look legit. And to be honest, I just don't care. I don't need it to be padded because the casings that I have, for example, the DJI, is padded. I don't need it padded for the camera because usually that thing's around my neck. So this Carhartt bag actually fits all these items here with no problem at all, and it has a little bit of padding for like my iPad and stuff like that, but to be honest, that's all that's really needed. And it has minimal pockets for me to throw my AirPods in, so on and so forth. So this bag right here has been a game changer simply because you don't need much, and this actually allowed me to decrease my kit even more. So let's go ahead and move along, because a lot of this stuff you might have seen before, but some of it you have not. For example, I started carrying a different type of speaker with me. This speaker I actually got from Toyota Camp when I went to go make some content for them. That's why you see the Toyota symbol, but this speaker by JBL is absolutely phenomenal. So the next big thing that I have is my actual iPad Pro. Now I believe this thing is dead, but iPad Pro is definitely in with my Apple Pencil, and this doesn't leave my bag. Now some of the videos you've probably seen recently on my Instagram and TikTok is that this is something I like to write in or draw in, and I don't draw anything. It's more just for aesthetic purposes when it comes to my videos. Speaking of writing, I did decide in 2025 that I will be starting to write a little bit more, my ideas that I have, so on and so forth. So now I'm carrying a pen and a little notepad, so that way I can just jot down everything I like. And I believe this notepad was from MKBHD. When he released this for a short while, that's why it has that matte black saying on it. So it's a good pickup. Had it for a couple of years now. Absolutely love it. And jotting down my ideas has been extremely helpful. Moving on to the knife of choice is the Chavas Redemption. This is the carbon fiber. It's been honestly in my pocket. This has not changed for 2 years. I absolutely love this knife. And also, let's be real, guys. This thing is an investment. It's not like it's cheap. So I like to use my knives. I like to sharpen them. I like to make sure that my everyday carry pocket knife is quality. So I did spend a pretty coin on this, but you know what? Well worth it. Move on to my Jeep keys. As you can see, the Jeep right here, I have this little Peter McKinnon tag right here, and a little leather keychain right here, so that way I can hold all my keys in one spot. Nothing fancy here, you guys, standard stuff. An upgrade I made in 2024 is I went from the Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max to the 16 Pro Max. Now, this camera and phone is an absolute monster. I did try shooting log in this, and it completely waxes your memory. I don't think I'm going to be using it that often. I did get a little hard drive and a little setup so that way I could put it back in the hard drive, but I'm not going to be using it that often. It actually kills your memory like no other, so I don't feel it necessary, especially now that I have the Pocket 3. We have the ToMe wallet. I've been rocking this same wallet for the last couple of years. The wife did upgrade me with just my initials engraved on it. I don't know if you can see that right there. And this has been an absolute fantastic pickup. It's actually very sturdy, and this is my second ToMe wallet. Same one, but second one because it's absolutely phenomenal. I don't think I made a video about this or featured a video of this yet, but this is my Apple Watch Ultra. This is the first edition. I've been rocking this one since it came out, and to be honest, I really haven't rocked any other watches, and I do have some nice watches in my collection, but I don't feel the need to because this does everything I need it to. Especially being creator, I feel like this watch is something that just comes with the territory, I guess, and is just super helpful. I don't have to have my phone on me. I don't need to look at my phone all the time, and it's been super helpful to have this watch. I was thinking about upgrading to the black, just not yet, considering that this watch is pretty expensive, and maybe I'll upgrade to the black when a 3 comes out, hopefully next year. And some of you might know this, some of you might not know this. I'm going to start including a couple of things that I do other than just like photo and video and a lot of my small content, my short form content. I do collect sneakers, I do collect knives, I do collect a lot of things, such as like I do work on my Jeep Wrangler that I don't think I ever featured on the channel. Now you guys wouldn't know that because unless you're on my actual Instagram, because you do see the car there sometimes, but I do collect sneakers, as I stated, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna throw out here my favorite pair of all time. This is a fresh one, although I have another pair that I rock every single day, but this, the Jordan 13 Breads, is honestly my favorite sneaker in all time. I actually told my wife, when it's time for me to bury the hatchet, bury me in these right here. So I do purchase them every single time they come out. They are honestly the most comfortable shoe to me. Now all the sneakerheads out there, roast me if you want, but this is my jam. I absolutely love this sneaker, and there's nothing really much you could say about it. Alright guys, well, that's all I have for you today. This is my carry for 2025 when it comes to everyday camera gear that, hey, I wanna go out with the family. Cool. I take the X100V, I take the DJI Pocket 3, and we go. I am no longer lugging around all this gear to take pictures because I want to focus on more of the moment rather than, oh shit, I forgot this lens, or I need to use this lens for this particular piece of content. I am no longer doing so. So this is my main focus for 2025, to use this gear every day, and I actually have been using it for the better part of 2024. We're just gonna cross over, you know, if something new comes out, like Pocket 4 comes out, you know, I'll look at it, you know, if it's worth the upgrade, why not? But I'm still going to keep it as minimal and dialed down as possible. But be sure to hit that subscribe button if you like this type of content. I'd love to make more of these videos. Let me know what you want to see in the comments down below. It's your boy Simon. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.